Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.
Hey, good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Let me go to the comments over here. All right, so I have a little bit of development over here. Just in a test phase. It's showing bars per second and bear volume and bull volume and delta volume. But it's just a test phase. I just want to see how it works out today. According to that, we're having some bullish volume in here. All right, so right now we're bullish bias. The average is 209 versus 132, so I'll be on the bullish bias at the moment. And I'll wait for the break towards upside back. And volume, of course, delta volume has to be up. Volume has to stay up here as well. You see the tick. This is the tick chart on the right side. It's showing that the delta is bullish, whereas the 1 minute is showing delta is bearish. And on this new setup I have here, it's showing delta is bearish. Oh, delta is bullish, just like this one here. OBV volume is showing negative here as well. So it could be a nice little temporary sell towards here. 23 pips. Also, I need a little bit more data on this chart here, on this tick chart to be built up. I arrived a little slightly bit late, so it's still loading up the data here. The slow market really beat up the EA last week on this sideways range. It took quite a few losing trades during during the very slow market. So that's why I decided to come in and um, created this here, so I can sort of EA can sort of see when volatility is in the system in the markets, right? So tick per seconds. So if it goes up anywhere above 4 ticks per second, it means we're having some volatility coming in. Over here we have gold V strong. So volatility strong or weak. Currently it's 50% weaker, right? So this is new. This is new. I replaced them with replace the MACD with these ATR values. I'm trying to figure out how can I identify volatility at its best. So this is the second day this has been up and running. Last week I didn't get it tested too many hours as well because it was very slow market. So this thing's pretty much set not to trade all day. Um, so this is short. So if this is working out pretty good, then this will become the on-off switch of when the EA looks to trade or not. So this way I can increase the frequency of trades it takes. So essentially, it would take a sell here first thing in the morning, right? Um, but only if the volatility strength is strong or weak. So if it's strong, then it would take the sell. If it's weak, then it wouldn't take the sell. Alright, so this is coming down to this linear weight. I mean, moving average 200 here. This is the 950 EMA. But on a 5 minute, it's a 200. So you see how this is a 3.26%. Up here is a 4.18%. So more likely it's gonna come back here before it goes down. So I'm not sure why there's so much buy volume coming in over here versus sell volume. This is the so based on the 30-minute bar, right? It's showing that this 30-minute bar is filling up with bullish ticks. Well, this one and this one for some reason. Um, on the back test it looked pretty good, but reality is not so good. But I'll see. Let's see. I mean, I'll give it a fair chance. A whole day. See, buy strength and sell strength is almost equal on the average side. So their average, we don't have a really have a trade here. And let's see here. A 30-minute ATR is currently 26 pips. So that's very low ATR for 30-minute chart. Especially around this time. Alright, it's gonna come here. And once it starts going back up, then that's when I'll look for buy. The delta indicator stopped working for some reason. Alright, so you have an EMA correlation to the downside here. It's been to the downside this whole time. It's been giving red arrows. So once it flips bullish and starts giving the blue arrows, then I'll look for buys to continue up. Since it's at the 200 rejection point here on the 5-minute 200. So if you go to 5-minute, right, you'll see that it's at the 200 EMA here, getting ready to reject to the upside. Or not, maybe it could come lower. It's a market structure here. Or it could, go up and then come down. But for now, I'm looking at it as a rejection point. So it depends on how you're looking at it, what time frame you're looking at. It's gonna be a very slow day, so I'm not even sure I might be taking a trade today. Um, Last week I was doing some testing with this, setting this up here, and then I made some money, lost some money, I made some money, lost some money again. So these are just test accounts to play around with it a little bit more. So it says volatility is weak here. So this goes for across the board. So let's go across the board here. As you can see, volatility is weak here, here. Look at those bullish bars coming in. This one's rejecting from a 200 here. So for this account size, it's supposed to be 1.1. I mean 0.1. And also my problem is that the reason I was losing over here is because I wasn't sticking to the lot size. For every $50 is equals to 0.01. So I was supposed to trade 0.02, 0.03 lot size and 0.04 lot size. So once it got up to zero point zero 0.04 lot size, I bumped it up to zero point 0.1 lot. So every single time it went against me, it was a bigger drawdown for a smaller account. So I just stick to the lot size growth process as well, because I was doing 20%, 10%, and then because of the high lot size, I ended up getting out too early and just crashing the account very fast. So I just have to stick to the lot size it gives here, and I'll be able to hold my trade. I should have just taken a sell here to this point here, and then just get out right here. So the average is still showing there is more buy strength here, and it's only about 10 off. less than 10, right? So because the average is pretty much even, that is why I'm still hesitant in taking any trades. Because then this could easily flip by anytime once. Even though we're seeing volume here is bearish, volume here is bearish, volume here is bearish, and volume here is bearish, the delta has been decreasing, of course, gradually, which is a good sign. And over here, you see the bear delta and the bull delta. It's showing bear delta right now. It was showing bull delta earlier this whole time. So, I mean, let's see what happens here. This doesn't make sense yet. I'll go get some coffee. Alright, I'm back. So this thing took a sell here. The wrong possible time. Let's see what this delta did here. It's bouncing between the 200 and the 5 minute 200.
Well, just the reason I rejected.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go to the next one.
Yeah, we have a 4% order there. So what I can do
Do you have
is
anything in the bottom?
put a buy stop. Buy strength came back in. Buy strength came back in. So I'll put a buy stop above here.
I'll put it above here. And not over here. Not that.
Where?
Above this 5 minute thing that I told you.
Oh, yeah.
$26.26-ish. That's that's all I can take for it. I'm guessing there's no news today. Oh no, there's unemployment. That's why it's so slow.
What time is unemployment coming out? 8:30? There's a stop loss trigger right here at the very bottom as well, which is 165 pips down at the bottom. I'm gonna cancel this buy order for now until I actually see it flips. I'm gonna close this cell. I'll use this cell. I need to upgrade this entry points a little bit better. Where do I have it at the moment?
Wait, when are you starting the cam stream?
It's on at the moment.
Ozzy's on the speaker already.
As you broke out to the upside, right?
Well, it's on the speaker.
Ah.
You see? I don't know if it's gonna come down or not. Or was it a temporary speaker? I don't know. But for now it's on the speaker. Maintenance end of year, maybe. Not. Euro is approaching the top of the range. The daily top of the range. So these two are in a rejection zone now. So it's holding on top. 4 hours timing. Look at this. Completely. You have to zoom in to see the 4 hour. Yeah. You see? You put it here. Yeah. Okay. So area. You see that? Alliance, right? So put another one here. And of course you can put one here. If this makes sense.
Andre, currently the EA thing is bullish bias. You see over here the average pairs, average of 6 pairs is bullish. So and gold by itself is also is bearish, but the average is bullish. So I'll wait for both of them to be average towards the bullish side in order to choose a bias. Currently it's a neutral bias because gold is saying it's a sell side bias. On the average side it's saying it's a bullish bias. Right, because if you go through the charts here, these are going bullish at the moment. You see most of these are going bullish at the moment. Right, so if you look up here independently, all these charts are going bullish at the moment.
That's okay. I'm done with work and then
So this is what I use as as a bias here. And then once this flip in favor of this, then I'll use that as a bias to look for trades. Currently the EA is taking trades, but it's not taking the healthiest of trades, so I need to recalibrate how it's entering.
then I forgot.
Because it did flip bearish around this area.
This one. Right here. I'm gonna come to that. And then it is a range here. So you may wanna come all the way here. Which is 26, 21-ish. Until news. I might just come slowly. There.
See in the tick chart here, the delta is still bullish. On this manual chart here, delta is still bullish.
So this one. What's that?
Might come down to this area here. That's where you said it was going to come down to, right?
No, that was earlier, but now that I had a chance to look at the chart, I think I might want to come down all the way here, which is 21,
26, 21.
26, 21-ish. 43, like a little bit below.
26, 21 is a weekly close. But like I was saying, it's a possibility you might want to come down here.
Let's go.
This is 45th down.
It's not. Where's the weekly? It's not the weekly close.
Last week close.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, right there. Ish. A little bit below.
Yeah.
Below this.
And right above it, there's 2 weeks ago low as well. So it's bouncing between those two areas. I see this has been continuously being down this whole time and it's causing a range.
The 4 hours is tiny. Look.
Yeah. There's gonna be like tiny bit.
Nobody's
baby
trading
stubs.
right now.
Only retail traders moving the market right now.
Like the little baby pushes.
Mhm.
Maybe they're praying or blowing.
I know. That's true.
So you see prices bouncing between 1 minute 200, 5 minute 200 right now. This is sort of a squeeze area. And these other deltas are very small compared to earlier, right? So there's not a lot of push in the market at the moment. We have bearish volume
No,
here.
that's the entity.
This is still on the correlated side, it's still bullish, right? So this could be coming down here to test the 50 linear weighted to push back up, which will then cause a push up. All the charts are sort of doing their own things at the moment. They're not in sync.
Nothing's going on right now. This is December.
Yeah, but today's Wednesday. Yesterday. Oh yeah, this was.
Android, that's what we're looking at as well. I think it's gonna go down in order to buy. Like I was saying, it's gonna might be going out to 26, 21 area before it buys. That was some good scalps you got there earlier though. You got 25 pip scalps here and a 15 pip scalp here. That's good scalping, by the way.
Yeah, 26, 29 we're talking about. I do have that on here.
And this correlation does definitely help.
This one.
Let me.
This one. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna stop there. I'm not sure even if it's gonna stop there. Oh, yeah, stuff there.
Alright, I'm gonna send this here to the chats in Telegram. This is a live stream for my personal YouTube channel. So this way, when this stream is over, you guys can join us over there. I leave the robot running for as long as possible because I want to record all the data in order to manage it, to figure out what works, what doesn't work. So I'm doing sort of weekly updates on those. So volatility is coming in a little bit stronger here at the moment. It's only 50, so I wouldn't count on 50, of course. I haven't fully analyzed this data here. The volume strength, I haven't gotten the chance to really look at it in full detail. 2566 rejection. 2605 area for buys. 2566. Let's see here. What you talking about? 2566 is a long way down. I mean, you might have 2600 that it might be coming to, right? Which is maybe after the news, after 9 o'clock, it might push down, but we're not sure yet, you know. And it might want to take this level out before it comes that far down. So when I start seeing some buy correlation here, it's like this one right here, I'm gonna enter a buy. Once I see this, it starts ticking back to the upside. Some volatility looks like it's coming in. Once this delta starts going back bullish on a tick chart, okay, so I entered a buy for a quick 10 pip here, or whatever it gives. Delta hasn't shifted bullish back yet though, so I'm not sure if it's gonna go 100% just yet. Okay, the delta here is pushing really hard. So I took like about 15 pips there. Um, right, I entered somewhere around here. Yeah, about 15 pips. It's moving up towards this order next, so let's see if this is gonna push down a little bit before it continues up. Interestingly, as it went up, a lot of tick bearish ticks are happening as it goes up. which this is where the bearish liquidity was at before. So it's taking out its 4% target right now here. Uh, 2666. Let me look at Annika's chart over there. Oh yeah, 2666 makes sense for sure. I should have held my buys here and just follow the stop loss up like I usually do. I forgot I normally follow the stop loss up and increase my take profits until it gets tops out. But it's okay. I'll wait for a pullback here, and then if the buys are still good and healthy, I'll enter another buy. This is interesting here. Maybe I think maybe I have it backwards. Because this morning I uploaded this again. So what's going on here? So the EA decided to take a trade here. Because our bias is bullish here. It's bullish here. I'm gonna wait for a pullback now here towards this 9, which is 16 pips down, and then I'll look for another buy once it comes to this moving average here, or stops comes to the stop out location over here. So US dollar is bearish right now here, 100% bear. So all the USD currency is moving bearish at the moment. You see this bandwidth indicator flip back down. So I'll wait for it to start carving back up like this before I enter another buy. Because what may happen right now is a situation like like this again before it goes, and wait till 8:30 for the next falling push. Price strength is very high at the moment here on this chart and on this chart. So even though it's pulling back, it's gonna go buy again, and then I'll look for a buy once this flip back bullish. Okay, this delta flip bullish over here, but let's see if it stays flipped on the tick chart. So this, you see, this is climbing up over here now. So volume is climbing up. This one is climbing up. All I'm waiting for is Bollinger Band to flip up. Alright, so I'll enter a buy here. Trail my stop loss right there. So I'll trail my stop loss 2 pips below this. Okay, this is starting to try to flip now, so volatility may come back in. So I'm putting in some buy stops at the top. So this way, if this trade works out, at least I can close more additional trades.
Nobody's looked at some public gym. People are paying they come and then like why are you even recording yourself like working out is what I don't understand. What is the day so busy.
So this pushes down through here. Most likely it's gonna come back down here for a deeper pullback.
Dancing. This chart You can't stand because
Aussie's pulling all the way back down to this 200 possibly. So once this guy starts going back up, then we might be in good shape again. See, as this was going up over here, the delta was showing that there's more bearish ticks than there is bullish ticks as it pushed up over here. So it was taking a lot of sell orders here. Alright, it's gonna be almost 8:30, so I'll cancel this for now and wait for 8:30 news to come in and see what happens. But I am still bullish bias.
yeah, but if the woman you can't blame the guy. Get malaria or something. A bunch of diseases there. They can catch.
Alright, so in 10 minutes you have news coming out, so let's see what happens then.
Can't even leave.
No, that's what it is. If you want to get rid of your parents faster, take them to the bunker to get a bunch of diseases.
No, he jokes at the
But
time.
it's true. They force you to take certain vaccinations before you go.
I mean, it makes sense.
Jason, if it breaks
He's
here, it's gonna come
he's
back
traveling
here.
all the time, so his parents have been like, "I want to go. You can take me."
Let's not go to Europe. Let's go to.
Zimbabwe. Oh, he's saying safari. First ever safari.
Yeah, so lion can bite your head off. But I think those are too wild. They have the big gets stampede by hippos or something.
Okay, that's not. I don't think. I think you're like over exaggerating how dangerous it is.
Is Zimbabwe dangerous?
I don't know.
Malaria?
Malaria.
Mosquito?
Mosquito, yeah, of course.
Lion biting your head off, especially if you're going to safari.
Okay, you're not gonna go right up to the lion. And they ride on like those like
They,
cars and stuff.
they come to the jeep.
Okay, yeah, like,
Well,
People
think about
get
it this
away.
way. If he didn't get his cheetah that day, you're his cheetah.
lions don't eat cheetahs, do they?
Right? What do they eat?
They eat the
Cheetahs.
no, the deer.
Oh no,
Why would a lion eat
not
a cheetah?
cheetah. The other thing.
He wouldn't be able to catch up to the cheetah anyway.
Yeah, I know. Not the cheetah. Anything else that doesn't move as fast as a cheetah.
Mhm. Well, you just have to like, they have to see you as a fellow predator.
Sure, that shit doesn't work in wild. It's a lion.
You
He's
don't- no,
hungry.
you're not dominating. I'm not saying you dominate the lion and be like I'm the alpha or anything like that. I'm just saying that if you come face to face with a lion, you're not supposed to run right away. Otherwise, he's gonna be like, "Ooh, that's prey." And I'm gonna go run after it and hunt it down.
How about I am not around you? Problem solved.
Yeah.
You know that meme? Smart. Where was that?
Okay, you're getting this.
Chappelle says they're like,
Oh,
smart.
big brain.
Life hacks.
Life hacks.
She was saying.
Just focus. Just don't get distracted. Just finish.
I'm waiting for the 8:30.
And then you blame me like I couldn't focus.
I blame you.
Yeah, and you blame me for it.
I just came back to push liquidity inside this big bar here.
Oh wait, this is not good. It went up before the news instead of down. You know what that means?
It's gonna go down.
Yeah.
This thing completely messed up.
Is it 8:30 already?
6 minutes, 5 minutes to go.
These things are like ranging though. They're not in like any trending shit. I mean, I guess they are.
You see, it went to rush to touch the 200 for 1 hour. Oh, 4 hour is closing.
Was it?
In 34 minutes. Oh, I went to those.
It's still there though. It didn't take long complete yet. So it's a possibility when the news comes out, they might push up again.
That's so interesting. Whole month I haven't seen it in 4%.
Yeah, I've seen it
End
4
of the
5%
month.
before.
No, end of the month is what I'm saying. It's 4%.
I know, it's because he's not absorbing it fast enough. You know. Let me open the news here.
When you double click on a line, it takes forever to actually do stuff to it. When you're trying to actually do a line, you have to double click on it, and it like takes forever.
But I can't. Yeah.
Two minutes,
But
2
when you're not
minutes.
trying to do anything, it's suddenly so easy to select the line. You're just barely touching it, and it's selected. You're editing the line you didn't want it to.
3 minutes.
Okay. News is about to be here in 3 minutes. And we have some sort of volatility in the market. This thing is not working out so far. It's always at zeros wrong. What are you looking for? Okay, news in 1 minute. Let's see here. Okay, came good for dollar. What happened to the market? Nothing? Let's see what the others are doing at the moment here. It is push down, push down.
This one to the geographic.
All right, this thing is looking like it's starting to work the way it's meant to work. I don't know what was going on over here. I mean, I guess it worked because it was doing bullish ticks, bullish ticks, bullish ticks, and it pushed up. Then it was doing bearish ticks and then it pushed down. So it's just a matter of learning how to use this a little bit better. This is a nice sell here. 27 pips so far. It looks like a strong volume sell, but it's not a strong volume sell because it's only 29 pips. Normally it's like a 100 pip drop if it's high volume. So let's see what's gonna happen now.
Did you enter this out?
No, I wanted to though. I just did not like. I just hesitated.
Did you enter?
No, I hesitated as well, just like Angie.
You were gonna call me
Yeah.
my new name.
And you know, yeah. Alright, so I'm still bullish bias here, of course. Because overall it's still bullish. Now these two are pretty close together. These two are pretty close. Silver is still bullish. They're still fairly bullish. Alright, so this is gonna come back down. Nice rangy market over here, and then I'll look for bites above this. I was supposed to be in a sell over here when this flipped. That would have been nice. I was supposed to be in a buy over here and this flipped. And a sell and a buy. I'm still waiting for it to flip bullish again. To take a buy because I think this was just a liquidity grab down here. This 200 is still far away from the 1 minute 200 is still far away from the 2 minutes 200. It's not a bearish trend unless this is below this. So I believe this is just a liquidity grab to the downside here to go back up. And if it doesn't, then at least I'm not in a sell. You see, it came and already cleared this previous low right here. $26.05. $26.05 is a long way down, especially we don't have the problem with the situation is we don't have volume in the market to push like 200 pips as it usually does.
I was thinking we could go to 26.21 like mentioned earlier.
Yeah, Andre
Because I do have.
mentioned 26.21 earlier. 26.21 is right here. Yeah, that's a possibility of it going there. That's a weekly
Yeah, I have
weekly
that too.
close.
Oh, bless you.
This looks like a nice range for another drop. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm thinking about entering it as well. I'm just waiting for it to cross my perimeter. Okay.
You want to enter a sell?
I want to enter it.
I'm waiting for a buy.
If it's just, I'm scared for the impulse is going to take over. I need it to completely cross my perimeter. Close. And because I know it. I know what it likes to do. It likes to be like, ooh, look, I'm going. And then it wicks back and it's like, thank you.
I've seen it reject from this 5-minute chart quite 5 minute 200 EMA quite a bit actually. So the fact that it came down to it once and then came down to it twice.
Yeah. So I'm really, this thing's killing me.
And sellers are entering more aggressively down here. So as it came down here, sellers were more convinced it's going to go down now.
Yeah.
So the fact that they were more convinced it's going to go down, they moved the stop loss up.
Oh, yeah.
But we have both sellers and buyers in the market. They're both at equal amounts.
I want to enter so I feel like
But do what you want to do, you know? You should do
do.
what you want to do.
Yeah.
It's not stop loss.
Different. This is like damages more. There's a shield. Oh, I'm in profit.
Did you take this out?
Yeah, I'm in profit right now. It stopped at where I thought it was gonna go. I don't know if I should get out or not.
It came to your profit target right
Yeah.
there. 26.21.
Yeah, so I decided to just take the profit. If it decides to continue down, I can decide on it. So I like 20 clicks. Because it did 0.1.
I should just stick to looking at the correlation here. This correlation is usually right. See, all these correlations are right. It's not the buyers are entering now at the bottom here. There's more buy ticks happening as it was coming down. This delta volume here is just something I created, um, which as you can see, this is working similar to this. The robot took a sell here again. I'm guessing it took a sell at the very tip where it's supposed to go up now. So I'll move the stop loss down over here. Because you see, it's selling right now. Most of this chart is selling. They sold off heavily.
It's like 8:15. It's not even 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, the song was right here. You didn't look at my thing. Remember, I did say it's gonna come here.
Yeah. And if it breaks this level, then it would come to the next level here, which is 2613.
Yeah, it's such a bad market, but you can still scalp. You see, so
Yeah, it is mostly a scalp market in the future right now. This delta is decreasing on the sell side here as well.
it seems rejected
Yeah,
from the area I said is gonna reject.
I
Well, I
entered.
don't know if it's temporary
I
or
put
not.
enter the buy for with the small stop loss. And then if it goes, I'll just follow this buy all the way up. Because the delta volume is pushing up here and here. This changes earlier than this volume here. The OBP volume is
I don't know how
slower.
far by it's gonna go because the 30 minute has 30 minutes to go.
So when new 30-minute open, this is gonna reset and start looking for new ticks, and then it's gonna tell me how that new 30-minute bar will run. So far at the end of this 30-minute bar, it's been doing bullish ticks. So when a new 30-minute bar opens, then we'll see if it's gonna continue to do bullish or bearish. This is where the shift happened. And over here is where the shift happened. So you see it shifted up and started doing bearish ticks, and then it broke it and came down.
Yeah, you should have taken this out. I said it's gonna go from here. It's gonna reject me. It's been giving me a nice sound.
Yeah, sell strength is pretty strong, but this level here is rejected once already from this level. It came back to this rejection point again.
No, that's only could have taken this nice.
Oh yeah, and the top, yeah.
Okay, 4-hour bar is closing in a few seconds.
Okay, so this is gonna reset in 1 minute.
You should show your speaker in the 4-hour look. You see it right here.
Yeah.
You see that?
So in the 30 minutes, it should show more clearer. So it's at the bottom of that speaker, right?
I can do it in trading. See how it looks.
We still have bearish volume here in the moment. Yeah, some bullish
Yeah, you can do
correlation
it on
here.
you can draw it on the 30 minutes. The speaker.
These are testing the nines here. Let's see if it pushes down. The golds are bearish, but the silvers are bullish. It's flip bullish already. And this is giving bullish correlated bars. So once this flips up, I'm gonna re-enter the buy again. If it flips above this.
Yeah, if it goes by.
It looks like it's gonna buy actually. But it's currently bearish. The robot is currently bearish too. I've got 1 minute chat. 1 minute is doing a accordion over here.
Aussie is on the speaker. It's on the top of the speaker. You were rejected from the thing. The range that I told you about.
So you have more bearish volume in the 30-minute bar. That is bullish. I silver to the head and shoulder over here, rejecting her 200 and making higher lows and higher highs. So I'll take one more attempt on this buy.
Yeah, be careful on the buy. Make sure you don't buy it on the rejection because it's already under 200.
Oh yeah.
Because this could be a trick for buyers and then might snap down to the zone.
Yeah.
Because they're still didn't make it there. You know?
Mm-hmm.
And usually it likes to punch out, but now it's just ranging there. Especially you said buyers are coming in.
Yeah. There's your 30-minute chart. Okay. The 30-minute chart is above that, so you see it's rejected on there.
Yeah, it might still make a wick though.
Ah.
You know? Look how 5 minutes is rejecting. See?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, over here you see it's there in between here. And the speaker, just in case. It's just December. What do you expect? Especially Aussie is rejecting from the top of the speaker. That's what the sell that pushed it. You see on the euro, you see when it came here,
Yeah.
rejected. It might, of course, it's gonna go up, but not like right away. It's gonna go slow when people are
Yeah.
sleeping. But yeah, you see this. This is just range over here. Slow and painful.
I know, right?
Be careful. Look at your correlation. The correlation must be saying so over there.
No, correlation was saying buy over here. Now it's bearish again, of course. OPV is flipping bullish volume.
But this zone, that's why I say ish. It might be on top of it or it might be below it. You see, it came on the top. It didn't even make it to this alarm zone.
Okay, this thing made a full complete arch around here now. So it might want to actually move.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not gonna take any trades for today. I'm just gonna monitor this data. I'm gonna have it record the data here to see what happens. And I needed to record this data to see what happens as well. So this way I can incorporate those into the trigger point of a trade. As you see, it's been triggering the trades at the wrong, specifically the wrong time, at the tips, right? I'm gonna enter a buy and let that be the stop loss. And my next take profit target should be at the highest point here. It might take forever to go up there, but it might 1632.
Yeah, you have.
I mean 2632.
It's gonna take. Yeah, because you have the 9:30. Do you like to do the volatility 10 o'clock? So it's gonna be too late to sit around here anyway.
Yeah.
That was the move, that sell that I told you about is gonna happen.
Yeah, this whipsaw I think is the biggest move of the day today. Going up and coming down, that was the biggest move of the day. It might just come up here again, range, or it might just come all the way
Oh
up here.
yeah,
and
when
come back
this
down.
buy happened, I wasn't here. That's what I said to sell. Tell everybody to draw their speaker thing on the 30 minutes.
Oh.
So when we're not here, you can have a zone. You can scout or look out, break out just in case. Oh, I clicked on something. I'm trying to get back. I can't get back to your thing. To your TikTok.
Yeah, like that.
No, I'm trying to get back to your TikTok. No, you're in profit.
Alright, so 30 minutes. Ah, okay. So what Annika was talking about is this area here. So the possibility of it coming back all the way up here becomes likely, even though it might just range all the way up. But it's probably. It's bouncing off of this 50 linear weighted as well.
She's doing all kinds of stuff. The range, the speaker, anything just to hang out in the same spot. Look, it's going nicely up.
Yeah, it's going up slowly. Alright, I'm gonna let the robot trade on autopilot the rest of the day. I don't know if it's gonna blow the account or not, but we'll find out at the end of the day. It's trading 0.01, and it has a trailing stop loss, so every time it goes up, it's gonna move the stop loss up. Because I'm monitoring two things here today, I need to divide up the screen here a little bit. So let's put XAUILD. Shit. All right, I'm gonna squeeze this chart because I'm monitoring this data here and this data here. I'm gonna record the screen in order to catch this information, along with this here to see how they work. So I have ticks per second here. So if it's giving a high volatility, anything above 3 ticks per second is gonna give these line here identifying a shift in the market. These red arrows represents the delta being more bearish than bullish. As you can see, it's been working sort of opposite to what I told it to do. It was bullish here as it was coming down and then went bullish here. It was bearish as it was going up and then sold here. It was bullish here, then went up. As it's going up, it's showing bearish, so it's a possibility. I want to see how it's behaving in a trendy manner. So if it's showing bearish here, then there's a preparation for a range and then a drop again. But I don't know. Only one way to find out by observing it.
Maybe you should start window so you can see what's happening.
I moved the stake profit bigger so it can add some trades in because there's a target right here at 26.32. So if it does want to continue up for the rest of the day, or for the next at least half hour, then it's gonna come all the way up here. If not, it's just gonna stop me up. So this might want to actually pull back down here now in this open area. Not sure.
Oh, by that, oh, I just keep quiet. Because that was a rejection point, right?
Yeah. 2090 cents I lost for the day on this account. So that was 10 pip negative. Now I'm back up by 10 pip. See, since the correlation came in, it actually never went bearish correlation again. So this would have been my cue to buy here at this first correlation arrow. Even though it was selling here back and forth, at least I would have been more of a 40 pip profit already had I taken this shift earlier here. Because with this correlation here, it was around this curve here up. So I would have taken it and just held the trade for a longer period of time without getting stopped out. And then it would have went up in my favor pretty decently.
You have a buy over there?
Yeah.
You may stop too low to buy for the
It's gonna range again here. The 1 minute is 1 minute 200 is very flat at the moment as well, so it's gonna keep ranging here, chop back and forth.
You see what this zone, you see? That's why it rejected.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So it's good to take profits in this zone.
Yeah, it's true.
See, it rejected from there. This goes like this now, and
So you see, went to this liquidity zone right here. I kind of go saying, and rejected. Now I might come to this liquidity zone over here.
let me see what it's gonna do. At this area right here. Well, there's this zone that I really have, but there's no guarantee that means it has to pass it 200, then it's just gonna go down. If it comes down, it might come to the zone that I told you about that it didn't touch, right? Which is just alright. See where we test it. It's just gonna range back and forth, you know?
Yeah, it's a shitty market. There's nothing to do already. Trade. There's some scalp trades, but that's about it. See, I had close 20 pips there, that would have been fine. Alright guys, I'm gonna see ya. Thank you for joining us. I'm gonna head out to work now because there's nothing happening in the market. 9:30 volume might come in now and do something. But
And then 10 o'clock.
and then you have 10 o'clock volume again as well.
But again, don't hold anything. Don't get greedy.
There's
If you
no
can
holding
get your
trade.
money, get it out.
Yeah, I should have just taken my money and ran with it.
Yeah.
It's a scalping market. All right.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.